Right now we are going into my favorite part of this apartment, which is the master's bedroom. It's so big and I love the bathroom as well, guys. Let's go in. Let me not be selfish. I want to show myself and show the place, but nobody's here to film me, so I'll flip the camera over and take you guys in. What's up, guys? Your girl Mabel here. Welcome back again to my channel, and if you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, so I showed you guys Abuja. I told you guys about the pros and cons of living in Abuja, and in that video I mentioned that I was going to do like an apartment video. I was going to do lots of videos showing you guys different apartments, and some of you seemed interested because I got a mail. I keep getting messages from people saying I'm trying to come to Abuja, how is the apartment like, how is accommodation like, you know, and then some people are like, oh, they want to buy a house in Abuja. So that's why I'm doing this video. You can tell me what you want me to film. If you're coming in and you want me to film like a 3-bedroom apartment, I'm going to do all of that anyways, but just in case you really need something, you can let me know, and if I can film, I'm going to film for you. So today I'm taking you guys to a 5-bedroom apartment. Yeah, it's actually two, a 5-bedroom and a 4-bedroom apartment for sale, but it's going to be 2 different videos. Okay, so let's talk about the 5-bedroom apartment. It sells for 170 million naira only. So I'm taking you guys to the house for you guys to see. If you're interested in it, send me a mail, and yeah, drop a comment. Tell me what you think about the apartment. Do you think it's too expensive? Do you think it's okay for the price? Is it worth it? Send me such drop such things in the comments so that we can discuss. Okay, show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up, and then hit the subscribe button if you're interested in such content and you're not subscribed yet. Hit the subscribe button. And yeah, before I go, I'm going to an amala joint with my friend. I know I told you guys that I was not going to go to an amala joint again, but yeah, I'm going to an amala joint with him, and I might not even eat amala. I don't even know yet, so I'm just going to go there briefly. I'll take you guys with me, and then yeah, we'll go for the apartment tour. Do you know, I'm so shocked. I'm coming here for the first time. This is the amala joint. I'm just wondering where the building is. How? Wow. Me, I bought okra. I didn't buy ewedu. Even my friend too bought okra. We are headed for Abuja district, which is located in the west of the Abuja City Center. It's a cool place, you know. There are some offices, hospitals, estates, and you know, government agencies in Abuja. And accommodation there is fair enough. It's not so expensive, it's not too cheap, it's just in between. This is the beautiful apartment we're going to be reviewing today. It is located in Rosewood Estate, Abuja, Abuja. It has 5 bedrooms in it and 2 living rooms, and yeah, it sells for 170 million naira, which is roughly about what, $472,000 or so, roughly. Yeah guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment. And yeah, if you're interested in purchasing this apartment, then you know what to do. Shoot me a mail. So when you get into the house, this is like the door. The first thing you see is the visitors toilet. Yeah, and then that's the living room, that's the way up, and that's the kitchen. Okay, which one should where should we go to first? Let's go to the kitchen. The back door is open, so sorry about that. This is the store. You can just keep some things here, you know, and then there's a little cabinet situation here. This is a sink. It's so cute. So that's the dining area, but let me go this way back to the entrance, and then we'll go into the living room. Let's go up. This is the other living room. Okay. And yeah, there's a washroom here. It's very small. They've not installed the wardrobe yet, but this is the space they have left for the wardrobe, and then the shower. I hope you've been enjoying it so far. I'm going to the last floor now, where we have just 2 rooms right there, the master bedroom and a smaller room here. So I'm going to show you guys the smaller room first before we go to the master's bedroom. Right now we are going into my favorite part of this apartment, which is the master's bedroom. It's so big and I love the bathroom as well, guys. Let's go in. Let me not be selfish. I want to show myself and show the place, but nobody's here to film me, so I'll flip the camera over and take you guys in. This bedroom is so large. Guys, look at that. Just look at that. It's so large. So beautiful. Just look at this. I love it. And then, yeah, this part. actually so beautiful.